class 4. Today we will start with factorization. Last day I told you to read out some numbers, those are prime factors. Now what is prime factorization? Here, example 12. Its factors are 2 and 6, 3 and 4. 12 is factorized into 1 prime and 1 composite number. Now 12 can have factors like 2 into 2 into 3, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 12. 12 is factorized into prime factors only. Now a process in which the given number has been factorized into a set of prime numbers, that is known as prime factorization. Here 2 into 2 into 3, 2 is prime number, 2 is prime number, 3 is prime number. So this is prime factorization. This and this 2 is not, because 4 and 6 will not work. It has to be all actual prime factors. So these are the prime factors of 12. Now let's start our exercise. Here correct answers we have to find. Prime factorization of 9. Now what is with the prime factorization of 9? 1 into 9, 3 into 3, none of this. I will mark 3 because as I told, only prime numbers, so 3 and 3 is prime numbers. 9 is not a prime number. Prime factorization of 16, 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. Prime factorization of 45, 9 plus of 45, that will not work. Then this 3 into 3 into 5. This is right. And factorization of 32. Answer will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the right, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. Next. A number can be factorized as prime numbers only. Our next question. Question 2. Write all the prime factors of the following. 15. I will do some for you. 15. 5 3s are 15. So this is this prime factorization. Next is 4 into 4. No, it will not work. It will have to be 2 into 2 into 2. This is right, not this one. Okay, next is 42D. I am doing 42. It is 2 into 3 into 7. Next I am doing G25, 5 into 5. 5 and 5 is prime. Next we will do 84, but 84, 4 into 20, 42 will not work. So I have cut this out. So how it will work? 84, it will be, let's see, it will be 2 into 2 into 3 into 7, right? Because 2 into 42, it will not work. 6 into 7 will not work. So how? 2 into 2, 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 7s are 84. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 7s are 84. All are prime numbers. See? Next, that I have done freshly for you. That was in practice. See? 15, 5, 3 into 5, 42, 2 into 21. It will not work. So, 2 into 3 into 6. Here also 72 I have shown you. Those will not work. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 to the 4, 4 3 is 12, 12 9s are 8 9s are 70. 95. So this one will not work. So 5 3s are 15, 15 into 15 and 53 will work. So 3 into 5 into 15, I am reading 3 into 5 and 53. This is the answer. This will not work because these are not prime numbers. These are prime numbers. So if I am taking 15 into 53, 15 will be 3 into 5. So 3 into 5 into 3, it is easier to remember. We have to complete this tree. 2 27s are 54. 27 is 3 9. This is not as tree method. So multiple of 54, 27 3s. Now we have to break down 27. That will be 9 3s. Now we have to break down 9. That will be 3 3s. Completed. Next, say 42 8. 42 will be 21. It will be 2 21. So now 21 will be 3 7s. Done. 115. 75. 25. 25 will be 5 into 5. Use the short division method to prime factorize the following. 24. Now what is division method? Let me show you. Here, division method 24. Now we have to write the prime factors. 24, as I told you, any even number we have to divide with 2. So 2 12s are. We will write the product here. 2 here dividend, 12 here product. 2 6 are. 2 3 are. 3 3 are. Till we get 1 at the end, we will not stop. So as we got 1, the answer will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 3 is 24. Next, 80 with 2. As 0 is there, we can do 40. 2 20s are, 2 10s are, 2 5s are, 1. So now we will write 80 and then 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. 16 5s are 80. Next, 96 again with 2. 48, 24, 12, 6, 3, 1. We have to write it, the answer also like this. Return one number I of 73. 75. 7 plus 5, 12. So with 3, 25. As 5 at the end, we have to multiply with 5. 5 is 5, 1. So answer will be 3 into 5 into 5. Okay. Rest you will do by yourselves and practice. Thank you.